Hi, today I will show you how to install Windows Server, in this case, the 2016 version on proxmox. First, open the link I put in the description to download Windows Server. Choose the language you want and download it. In my case, I already downloaded it. Once it has finished download, reopen proxmox and go to the local section, then ISO images. In here, you will see all of your ISO images. In this case, I already have it, but I will show you how to add it. Click Upload, then choose the image. Click Upload. I will abort because I already have it in. Now click on PVE. Create virtual machine. Name it like you want. Next, we select the ISO. So Windows Server 2016. The OS type is Microsoft Windows. Next, EFI storage and TPM storage are local LVM. Next, the disk size, you can use 32 gigabytes if you don't store a lot of data, but I will go with 64 gigabytes minimum. Next, at the CPU tab, put minimum 2 cores, and at the type, put QEMU 64. Then, next. Put memory at what you want, but I will go with 4 gigabytes. Next, leave network unless you have more than one network adapter. Next, find the virtual machine in the virtual machine section and click on console. Click Start. And a chap. Well, it's starting, so you can go to the BIOS. Using the arrow key, go to Boot Manager. Select the second option, DVD-ROM, and press Enter. Press any key to boot. Verify the language settings and click Next. Install now. Select Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience, or more simple, the second, and click Next. Accept the license terms and click Next. Custom install and Next for the drives. Wait for the install. After, put your administrator password. Finish. Use the proxmox integrated controls to press Ctrl-Alt and delete and enter your administrator password. Now you successfully installed Windows Server on proxmox.